In the vibrant heart of Milan, where history breathes through ancient stones and modern life dances around every corner, stands a monument that has witnessed empires rise, borders shift, and generations evolve, the Arco della Pace, the Arch of Peace. Our story begins in the early 19th century, when Europe was trembling under the footsteps of great armies. Napoleon Bonaparte, in his sweeping vision for a modern empire, ordered the creation of a monumental arch that would celebrate his victories in the new age he imagined. Milan, a shining jewel in his domain, was chosen as the site. Construction began in 1807 under the brilliant Italian architect Luigi Pagnola. The arch was intended to be the grand entrance to the Strada del Sempione, a strategic road connecting Milan with Paris. It would become a gateway not just of stone, but of power, glory, and ambition. Yet, destiny had its own plans. Napoleon fell, empires shifted, and the Milanese found themselves under new rulers. The arch, still unfinished, waited in silence, its stones holding dreams of a leader who no longer ruled. But the story didn't end there. Years later, the Austrian Empire took control of the city. Instead of demolishing the monument, they decided to transform it. No longer a symbol of Napoleon's triumph, it became an emblem of peace, celebrating the European harmony that followed the Congress of Vienna. Finally, on September 10, 1838, the Arco della Pace was inaugurated with grand ceremonies. Musicians played, crowds filled the square, and the newly crowned Emperor Ferdinand I traveled through the arch on horseback, marking a historic moment for Milan. But what makes Arco della Pace truly enchanting is not just its past, it is the way its beauty continues to speak today. Constructed from gleaming Babino granite and crema marble, the arch rises elegantly into the sky, adorned with mythological figures, bas-reliefs, and inscriptions. At the top stands the majestic bronze sculpture, La Sestiga della Pace, a goddess riding a six-horse chariot, symbolizing triumph and harmony. Beside her, two riders represent poetry and history, a reminder that art and memory always shape the future. As the years passed, the arch became much more than a political monument. It became a cultural symbol, a meeting point, a backdrop for celebrations, a silent witness to Milan's transformation into the fashion, design, and innovation capital it is today. Walk beneath the arch early in the morning, and you'll hear the whisper of old Milan, the clip-clop of carriages, the chatter of revolutionaries, the marching of armies long gone. Visit at sunset, and the arch glows in golden tones, the skies behind it turning pink and orange, as if painting a timeless portrait. At night, with the city lights shimmering, it becomes a romantic beacon for locals and travelers alike. Nearby, Parco Sempione stretches out like a green oasis. Joggers, families, musicians, and tourists gather around, filling the square with energy. Here, history is not trapped in a museum, it lives among the people. Today, Arco della Pace stands as a symbol of resilience. It survived wars, political upheavals, and shifting eras. Its stones carry stories of conquest and peace, of ambition and transformation. It embodies Milan's spirit, strong, elegant, and ever-evolving. As we end our journey, imagine standing beneath the arch at twilight. The breeze carries distant laughter, the city glows softly, and the bronze horses above you seem ready to leap into the sky. In that moment, you understand why Arco della Pace remains one of Milan's most cherished landmarks. Not just a monument, but a story, carved in marble, crowned in bronze, and alive in the heart of the city.